QVC is liquidating these insanely versatile coffee machines at a price you won't believe. And this isn't just another brewer. This Ninja DualBrew Pro lets you make pod coffee, grounds coffee, iced drinks, cappuccinos, and lattes all with one machine. You can brew a single cup for you, a travel mug, or a full 12-cup carafe for guests. And get this, it has a separate hot water dispenser for tea, hot chocolate, or quick oatmeal. Plus multiple brewing styles like classic, rich, over ice, and specialty. So your coffee tastes barista level every single time. The frother snaps on and off, comes completely out for easy cleaning, and it actually makes cafe level foam. And I love that the water tank moves from the side to the back. It's a huge space saver on the counter. This is one of those machines people keep for years because it just works. QVC is clearing these out right now, and once they're gone, they're gone. If it's still in stock, you'll see that orange shopping cart right above my name.